Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, POCO C50, and now I can show you top 3 bad themes for this device. So as you can see, there is my super top of best launchers of best themes for this Xiaomi device, and I suggest you try all of them. So on the third place in my top is Niagara launcher. I really love this launcher because you have no any inline features on this launcher. I'm using this launcher when I need to focus on my work. I have here only I'm using it on my device, not on this device. I have only on my work, but on my device, my Android device, I'm using this launcher when I am on work, and it's really impressive because you can set up here your favorite apps and your favorite widgets, and here you have apps menu. You have no inline features here. So by alphabetical line you can find any application you need. As you know, Xiaomi devices Xiaomi devices have no focus features like in iPhones. So you can't create several modes to work, to home, to I don't know, to your free time. So I am using different launchers to change the appearance of my devices, and of course you can automatize. You can create automatical switching between launchers, and if you want to know how to do it, just write in comments. I'll record a video about it. So you can use this launcher, for example, on work when you need to be focused on amount of tasks. On the second place in my top is Smart Launcher 6. I'm using this launcher when I am at home because it's really beautiful. Here we have beautiful colors, beautiful icons, and we have no inline features here too. And here we have settings. We have really flexible settings here. So we have gestures here. Gestures feature is really great feature. But one of the disadvantages for this launcher is one thing that you can't use every features for free on this launcher, so you need to pay for it. So it's one disadvantage of this launcher. But despite the above, I really love this launcher because you can create backups here. You have here really great gallery of wallpapers with really beautiful wallpapers. So I never seen more beautiful wallpapers that you can find in this launcher. And of course you can share your home screen between your devices. You can create app pages, you can create home page, news page, and search page. You can set up it, and so that's it. So I really love this launcher because it's flexible and it's really beautiful. So it's the most beautiful launcher I have ever seen. Great. On the third place in my top is my favorite Microsoft launcher. I'm using it on my free time, and when I must be really productive on my free time, and when I am in studying, when I am in my university. So using this launcher you can automatize everything, because first here you have widgets. You can set up glance widgets panel. I really love this panel because you can set up everything here. Here you have apps menu, and here you have alphabetical line too. You can hide unnecessary files in this launcher, so it's really handy. I really love this feature. And you can set up everything here, so you can put up themes, wallpapers, dock panel, app drawer. You can, why I love this launcher, because you can create 3 lines of your favorite apps, and it's really handy and it's really useful. And of course you have really big amount of of gestures. So, for example, I can open any application by twice clicking on the free area on my home screen. So I have a lot of icons on my home screen, and here in the center I have free space to click on this free space to open to open application. I have enabled Gmail, for example, and by clicking on free space you will open Gmail, and it's really handy to use. You can so you will ask why I'm not added the Gmail icon on the home screen, because I have a lot of home screens, and on every home screen I have a free space to open Gmail. And I have enabled swiping or using 2 fingers from down to up, swiping from 2 fingers from up to down, and it's really handy to use. So if you will try to automatize these, you will really like this launcher. You will really love this launcher. I hope this top was helpful for you, and if it's true, so leave me a like and leave a comment below this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.